I represent injured parties in terms of any kind of litigation cases they may have. So anything from automobile accidents to dog bite cases to slip and fall to products liability. I became an attorney because I wanted to help people. Right after law school, I did insurance defense work for 3 years, and then I switched sides and joined the legal team of Hupy and Abraham. I started becoming frustrated dealing with insurance companies, and I really wanted to be on the other side helping injured persons. Coming from the insurance defense perspective, I oftentimes know what the insurance companies can be focusing on. I know where their holes are going to be or where they're going to look at the case, and I often know in terms of evaluation of the case, the process that goes on behind the scenes. And so in terms of helping my clients out, I can use those avenues to help them get better recourses for their cases. Anyone who's injured, obviously that's who our main focus is. And so we want to make sure that they get to a place where they're getting compensated for what they've been through. One of my most inspiring cases was one where we got insurance policy limits. Throughout the entire process, the insurance company was denying several aspects of the case. First of all, the person that was at fault for the accident was evading service. And so that was one of the first issues we had to deal with in terms of making sure she was involved in litigation. They also maintained that because there was minimal property damage to our client's vehicle, that her cervical fusion that she had, a procedure where she had to actually have surgery on her neck as a result of the accident, wasn't related. And so they were denying that aspect of the case as well. And so after several months of fighting, we finally got the insurance policy limits for her. And I remember that phone call distinctly, because as soon as I gave her that great news, she just started crying. And it was just so emotional for me as well, just knowing the impact that I had on her and being able to help her out with my legal background. I came to the firm because I knew it had strong representation for helping out injured persons, and I knew that it had a very good strong ethical background behind it as well, in terms of the representation that the lawyers provide for their clients and the service that they offer. In my spare time, I'm actually an avid runner, and I train for and run at least one marathon per year. And while in undergrad, I was a member of the Wisconsin women's crew team and was actually co-captain my senior year.